Hello, my name is Nate, and I'm the Professional Development and Training Specialist here at Flat for Education. Today, I wanted to show you how to use our Worksheets assignment. The Worksheet assignment is a simple way to create simple assessments that cover the skills like notation, identification, interval identification, pitch recognition, and all the other musical details that we learn throughout the learning process. So, you would use these worksheets as a way to automatically grade those abilities, and they have a very, very quick turnaround, as when students are done, they get instant responses. So, if I go to my assignments here, I can go to New Assignment and create a worksheet. This worksheet I'll title Refresher. So, in my head, this might be something in fifth grade after the summertime. You might give them this quiz to see what they remember. I can decide it's for my general music class. I can arrange it into a folder. So if I click here and I want to do this quiz in December, I can. Or maybe I want this to be a part of my America the Beautiful unit. Either way, if you create a collection, you can organize it that way. Here's your student instructions. This option is important if you want each student, when they open it, to have a different order of questions. You can turn on shuffle. For this example, I'm going to leave this off so you can see them as I put them in. So I'll go to exercises now and add an exercise. My first one, I'm going to do 3 pitch recognition activities in treble and bass clef. So I'll go into clefs, hit treble, bass, pick keys. I want them all in C. I want my staff position to be lines and spaces. I want my min and max line to look like this. My pitch display, I want letters. My displayed options, I want all the letters. And I do not want to use accidentals. And for today, let's do 4, actually. And once I hit add, they pop up. As a teacher, you can see which questions you want to do. So for any reason, we have too many bass clef ones. So I'm going to get rid of this one and this one. I'm now going to add some more exercises. Let's do key signature recognition. Let's do it in tenor clef. I'm not a tenor clef player. Let's do all the keys. I can add my modes here if you're working with a high school group. And my displayed options, let's do them all. Let's do 2 of those. And as you see, they are added to the bottom. I can keep on adding exercises. Let's do interval recognition. Let's do that in treble and bass clef. Let's do 3 of those. And let's make sure they're ascending. And last but not least, let's do 2 of those. And last but not least, let's do some beat counting. Time signature, let's do it in 3/4. And I don't use Takadimi very much, so let's try in Takadimi. Okay, let's do 2 of those. So now I've got this little quiz. We're going to give this a shot. I'm going to hit done. And if you want to test your own skill or see what students go through, you can click on Student Preview, and you can see how the assignment is done. So in this case, I get to answer my questions, test my music knowledge. And I got 7 out of 8 right. So let's see which one I got wrong. I I selected it in major instead of minor, or maybe I was just wrong. So, your students get their feedback instantly. They can comment and say, better luck next time. And as a teacher, on your end, you can go into classes and see that my students are able to leave comments here. So if I go backwards, I can see my comment from my student, graded, and I can say, you did your best. And that's how we use our auto-graded worksheets. Good luck. I hope you enjoy using them.